welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel has been created by me a few days ago. And today I'm gonna upload a new video on how to make a bill, sales invoice, and purchase invoice in Tally. So we will open Tally. It will take time, few seconds. So as you can see, when you will open Tally, you have to create a company. So we will create a company. Suppose all electronics. Okay. Now state as I live in Jharkhand. So I will enter Jharkhand, pin code, financial year, and you will create a company like this. And this is the features. All the features are same. And I'm gonna teach you how to make sales invoice, purchase invoice with GST. So GST, yes. State will be Jharkhand. As I live in Jharkhand, you can select your state, registration type, regular, composition, regular. So regular, SSC of other territory, no. Then GST number, whatever the GSTN number you have, you will do it. And then monthly or quarterly. If you file GST monthly, then you will select monthly. And if you file GST quarterly, then you will select quarterly. And I will file GST quarter monthly. So, and then this mode of filing you will not applicable because this is not important. Control A, you will save. Control A again to save the entire thing. Now this is your gateway, your Tally. And now you will go to the vouchers. Here you can see vouchers. You can simply press V to go to the vouchers. Now go to F8. Here you can see F8 sales, or you can simply press F8 on the keyboard. So F8 sales. Reference number, this is invoice number. You can write your invoice number. Here I will write 1. And date, you can simply write the present date. How to change the date? Simply press F2 on the keyboard and you will be able to change the date. But remember, first you have to change date from the gateway you Tally. Then date will be visible here. Party's name. If you sell goods on cash, then you will write cash. And if you sell goods on credit, then you will enter the debtor's name. Simply press Alt plus C to create a ledger of a party. Suppose I'm selling to Ra. Suppose I'm selling to Rahul Kumar goods. So I'm selling Rahul Kumar will be my sundry debtor. And you will write his GST number and then you will accept it. Then you will write here delivery note number. I'm assuming delivery number, note number is 5, date number 1, and then blanket destination you will write Rahul's destination. And then you will enter date. Suppose selected date 1 April 2025, and then you will accept. Okay. And then in sales ledger, you will create another ledger named sales. It will come under sales account, and then types of ledger not applicable, include in accessible value calculation not applicable, GST applicability applicable, and here you will, as per company groups and GST rate applicable, you will select specify details here. You will select taxable and you will select the GST rate. Suppose I'm selecting 18%. And then if you do business of goods, goods. If you provide services, then services. I will select goods and then accept. Now, so you will create stock items. That means what stock you are selling. Again, Alt plus C to create stock item. Suppose I'm selling a mobile phone, iPhone 15. Suppose I'm selling iPhone 15. Under you will again press Alt plus C, you will write mobile. Primary, you will select specify details here. You will write SSC number, whatever the mobile SSC number you may have. In description mobile. And then as you again here specify details here, taxable 18%. And then you will save. Units again Alt plus C. If you sell goods on pieces, you will write pieces. If you sell goods on the basis of units, you will write units. So I sell goods on the basis of pieces, I will write pieces. And then applicable, yes. As per company stock group, yes. As per company group, stock group, yes. And then type of supply goods. And then you will select description. If you want to provide a description, you can provide. Now quantity. Quantity, suppose I'm selling two iPhones of rupees 60,000. So here 1,20,000. Okay. And now when you sell goods, what do you apply? Output you receive, GST, output GST you receive. Now I will again create a ledger of CGST and GST because Rahul resides in Jharkhand. So first of all, CGST output. It will come under duties and taxes. Types of duty and taxes, GST, obviously. Tax type, this is CGST. I will select CGST. Calculation of percentage, 99%. I will selected 18%, 9%, not applicable. And then here it comes. And then now SGST. So again, Alt plus C, you will create SGST output, duties and taxes. Now GST, here see SGST, you will select 9% here and then select save, and then you will save. And so this is guys how to make a sales invoice. Now I will teach you how to make a purchase invoice. If you want to make purchase invoice, you have to press F9 on the keyboard, or you can see here as well. So F9 again, suppliers invoice number, you will write 1, date you can select by pressing F2, I will told you. And then you have to enter party's name. Again, if you are selling on, if you are purchasing on cash, then you will enter cash. But if you are purchasing on credit, then you will enter the creditor's name, the party's name, again Alt plus C to create a ledger. Suppose I'm purchasing from Samresh Raj. So he is my sundry creditors. He is my liability because I have to pay them. He is my payables, creditors. He resides in Jharkhand. Regular, and the GST number you will provide. So receipt note number you will enter your receipt note number. Date you will enter the address, whatever the address may be. You will enter the date. and you will see. Here you have to create purchase ledger, Alt plus C, purchase. It comes under purchase account, types of ledger not applicable, include inaccessible value calculation not applicable, GST applicability is applicable as per company groups, yes, as per company groups, no specified details here, taxable, here also 18%. This is not services, this is goods. If you do business that provides services, you can set services. Stock item I'm purchasing um, Realme mobile. So again, Alt plus C to create stock. Realme, suppose I'm purchasing Realme 11 Pro Plus. Purchasing Realme 11 Pro Plus. So it will come under mobiles, pieces, GST applicability years as per company stock groups because I've already created a stock group of mobile. This comes automatically here as per company groups. And as per company groups, this is goods. If you want to provide some description, you can do that. Now quantity, purchasing one of 25,000. So this is 25,000. And when you purchase, you pay tax, that is import. So you have to again press Alt plus C to create CGST, SGST because Sabres Kumar resides in Jamshedpur or Jharkhand. CGST import. Again, duties and taxes. GST, CGST, 9%. So as you can see, CGST is 2250. And now you will create SGST as GST, import, duties and taxes, GST, SGST, 9% here also. See, CGST and SGST will always be the same. And now you can save it. You can provide narration if you want, accept. So this is how you make sales invoice and purchase invoice. And how you can see that you've made sales invoice and purchase invoice. You will go to display more reports. And then you will go to accounts book. And then you will go to sales register. As you can see, April credit transaction. This is Rahul sales and purchase transaction. And we go to purchase register, debit, nature of purchase debit or nature of sale is credit. See sales register. So this is how you prepare sales invoice and purchase invoice with GST. So this is all for today. I will come with more videos as soon as possible and some more new interesting topics. Till then, bye bye, guys.